हेलो फ्रेंड्स आज वीडियो मु आपण मानकु कहबी जे स्वाधीनता दिवस रे क्यों भली भाव में आपण स्पीच दे पारिबे। तो आज वीडियो मु आपण मानक पई नेकी आछि गोटे बहुत भलो स्पीच। तो आपण माने चाहिले याकू दे पारिबे किंबा कहि पारिबे। सो चलंतु जानि नेबा। तो देखंतु फ्रेंड्स एठरे मु आपण मानकु कहि देउछि आपण माने याकू कहि पारिबे। सो चलंतु पढि नेबा। गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल माय रिस्पेक्टेड टीचर्स, पेरेंट्स एंड डियर फ्रेंड्स। Today we have gathered here to celebrate this great national event. As we all know that Independence Day is an auspicious occasion for all of us. India Independence Day is the most important day to all the Indian citizens and has been mentioned forever in the history. It is the day when we got freedom from the British rule after many years of hard struggle by the great freedom fighters of India. We celebrate Independence Day every year on 15th of August to remember the first day of freedom of India as well as remember all the sacrifice of the great leaders who have sacrificed their lives in getting freedom for India. India got independence on 15th of August in 1947 from the British rule. After independence, we got all the fundamental rights in our one nation, our motherland. We all should feel proud to be an Indian and admire our fortune that we took birth on the land of independence India. History of slave India reveals everything though how our ancestors and forefathers had worked hard and suffered all the brutal behavior of British. We cannot imagine by sitting here that how hard the independence was for India from the British rule. It took sacrifice of lives of many freedom fighters and several decades of struggle from 1857 to 1947. An India soldier Mangal Pandey in the fast force had first raised his voice against British for the independence of India. Later several great freedom fighters and struggled and spent their whole life only for getting freedom. We can never forget the sacrifice of the Bhagat Singh, Khudiram Bose and Chandrasekhar Azad who had lost their lives in their early age just for fighting for their country. How can we ignore all the struggle of Netaji and Gandhiji? Gandhiji was a great Indian personality who taught Indians a big lesson of non-violence. He was the one and only who led India to get freedom with the help of non-violence. Finally, the result of long year of struggle came in front of 15th of August 1947 when India got freedom. We are so lucky that our the forefathers have given us a land of peace and happy where we can sleep whole night without fear and enjoy whole day in our school of our home. Our country is developing very fast in the field of technology, education, sports, finance and various other fields which were almost impossible before the freedom. India is one of the countries rich in nuclear power. We are going ahead by actively participating in the sports like Olympics, Commonwealth Games and Asian Games. We have full right to choose our government and enjoy largest democracy in the world. Yes, we are free and complete freedom. However, we should not understand our free responsibility towards our country as being responsible citizen of the country. We should be always ready to handle in emergency condition in our country. जय हिंद जय भारत। सो फ्रेंड्स आपण मैंने यहाँ कहीपर तो देखु आम तो हो ओडिया एंड वी आर नॉट नेटिव स्पीकर ऑफ इंग्लिश। तो आपण मैंने जानी आम इंग्लिश पूरा पूरी सबुदिन कहूना कि एनवायरमेंट भी एमती ना किंबा तो से आमको या टे कहवाक अलगा हुए। सो तो मुझे आपको कहीदे आपण चाहिए यही स्पीचटा को कहींपारे कि लिखिपारे। तो आपण मैंने जहाँकि स्क्रीनशॉट नहीं पारे और पढ़ी पारे। सो फ्रेंड्स ये आपण गोटे स्पीच। तो आशा करूँ वीडियोटी आपको निहाते रोल लगे। सो रोची टेक केयर एंड बाय। जय हिंद, वंदे मातरम।